Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure Windows 10 is active and you have permission to install updates. This prevents interruptions. Close heavy tabs and save documents so Chrome can restart cleanly. Now open Chrome from the Start menu, taskbar, or desktop shortcut. Once done, click the three-dot menu at the top right to begin. This is where Chrome manages updates. Make sure your internet connection is stable. An unstable link can stall the download and leave Chrome partially updated. You now navigate to Menu, then Help, then About Google Chrome. This forces an immediate update check, which is faster than waiting. Chrome will detect the current version and, if needed, automatically download the latest build. Keep the About tab open, watch the progress, and read any update notes so you know what changed. If the download stalls, make sure Windows Defender or another security tool isn't blocking it. Sometimes temporarily pausing a strict firewall helps the download finish cleanly. Once the update finishes downloading, click Relaunch to apply it. Chrome will close and reopen your tabs automatically, preserving your session. After relaunch, return to About Google Chrome to confirm the new version number. This verifies success and shows security fixes. Test a few websites and browser functions to ensure extensions and sign-ins still work. If something goes wrong, restart Windows, try disabling extensions, or check your firewall and network. Often a simple reboot or network fix resolves remaining.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.